Hello, good evening, everyone. Hope you all are fine. It's me, Tasneem. Welcome back to our class. And this class is 3 and 4, as well as this is batch 1. So we know that today is our presentation. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Right. So what was the presentation topic? Can you tell?
Miss the food pyramid.
The food pyramid. Yes, excellent. Good boy. I think you learned this one. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Awesome. So I just shared the slide for revision. All of you give revision just for 1 minute. The food pyramid. The food pyramid is the device that shows different types of food necessary for our body. It helps us to understand the different food groups. It tells us how much of each food group we should eat. There are 4 levels in the food pyramid. In the first level, there are fat and oil. এটা top থেকে আসছে আমরা চাইলে you can describe from the bottom level, okay? So top level থেকে আসলে fat and oil the first. In the second level, there are fish, meat, dairy, beans, and lentils. In the third level, there are fruits and vegetables. And the fourth level, there are grains. So you have to choose all from all levels, every single day. So I give you for 1 minute. 1 মিনিট দিচ্ছি, 1 মিনিটে আমরা রেডি হবো। Okay, I think you all are ready, no? So first,
Yes, miss.
Naiful, you said.
Okay, miss. The food pyramid.
No,
Food pyramid is
when you give your presentation, please start it formally. Your name, then you start your presentation.
okay, miss. My name is MD Nafil Karim. I live in Dhaka Cantonment. I read in class 4 in Adonji Cantonment Public School, and I am also a student of Leopold Kids English. Today, my topic is about the food pyramid. The food pyramid is the device that shows 4 food categories which is necessary for the good health of our body. The first level is about carbohydrates. It contains roti bread rice, and potatoes. The second level is about vitamins and minerals. It contains all the fruits and vegetables that is necessary for the good health of our body. The third level is about protein. It contains fish, meat, eggs, and milk. Thank you. The last level is about oil and fat. Every day we eat a lot of oil and fat, but we don't need that much of oil and fat. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Good. Now, Ayan.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ayan. I live in class 6 at PF Sreni School. I live in Dhaka with my family. Now, my presentation is about the food pyramid. So let's get started. The food pyramid is a device that shows the way that we should eat the different types of necessary food for our body. It helps us to understand. It helps us to understand the different food groups. It tells us how much food we should eat, how much food we should give. There are four levels in a food pyramid. In the first level, there are in the first level there are fat and oil. In the second level, the second level there are fish, meat, beans, and lentils. In the in the last level there are fruits, vegetables, and in the fourth level there are grains. That's all.
আমরা দেখে বলেছি আয়ান,
Miss.
বুঝলি? আচ্ছা, না দেখে বলে থাকলে খুব ভালো। দেখে বলেছি নাকি না দেখে বলেছে? একটু দেখেছি, তাই না? একটু দেখেছি, একটু একটু। আচ্ছা, good. রাবিয়া বলুন। আচ্ছা, রাবিয়া বলুন।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia Tabin. I'm my grade is I read in grade 4. My school's name is Wheaton International School, and today I'm going to present about the
Pyramid,
the
food
food
pyramid.
pyramid.
হ্যাঁ,
So let's start. The food pyramid is the device that shows different types of food necessary for our body. It helps us to understand the different food groups. It tells us how much of each food group we could eat. Levels in the food pyramid.
হুম। Rabia, you have net problem. হ্যাঁ, নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম। আচ্ছা, সো ফুড পিরামিড আমরা করেছি। থ্যাংক ইউ রাবিয়া। রাবিয়া একটু নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম ছিল।
Thank you.
আচ্ছা, আমাদের বাসার নয়েজটা যেন না আসে, আমরা চাইলে একটা কাম এন্ড কুল প্লেসে ক্লাস করার চেষ্টা করবো, হ্যাঁ? অন্য কোনো রুমে, যে রুমে কেউ থাকবে না, বা থাকলেও কোনো সাউন্ড যেন না হয়। আচ্ছা, সো
Miss, I'm in the car, so yeah.
Oh, you are in the park. পার্কে ক্লাস করছি। আচ্ছা, গুড, খুব ভালো।
No, miss, I'm in the car.
আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা এটা একটু করবো, এটা প্র্যাকটিস করবো। তুমি কি পার্কের কথা বললে, এরকম কিছু?
Oh, miss, car.
নাইফুল, আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি রাবিয়া কি বলেছে।
মিস কার, CAR, কার।
ও, কারে আছে, আই মিন কার। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমরা এখন এটা একটু করবো, হ্যাঁ? অল অফ ইউ প্র্যাকটিস দিস ওয়ান। চেষ্টা করবো না দেখে বলার জন্য। আমরা এখানে 6 বলতে পারি, 5 বলতে পারি। আই এম ইন ক্লাস 5, আই এম নট ইন ক্লাস 5, এম আই ইন ক্লাস 5, আই এম নট। প্রত্যেকটা আমরা হচ্ছে 5 বার করে করে প্র্যাকটিস করে যাই। বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করবো। Ayan, are you practicing? ভালো করে প্র্যাকটিস করবো যাতে করে খুব সুন্দর করে বলতে পারি। প্রত্যেকটা টপিক আমরা 5 বার করে প্র্যাকটিস করবো। Okay, so it's done.
Yes, miss.
আমরা একটু জোরে একবার পড়বো। Read loudly. প্রথম থেকে from the beginning to last. Read out. I'm in class
I'm in class 5. I am
I'm
from
in class
class 5.
5.
Am I in class 5? I
Am
am
I not in class 5?
class
Like
I
class
like to
5
walk in the park. I don't like to walk in the park. সবাই পড়বো জোরে। Do I like to walk in the park? Don't I like to walk in the park? Sound শোনা যাচ্ছে না?
I like to walk in the park. I do not like to walk in the
I
park.
like to walk in the park. I do not like to walk in the park. Do I like to walk in the park? Don't I like to walk in the park? My
My cousin does not live in the UK.
My
Does not
cousin
live in the
does my cousins live in UK? Doesn't my cousins live in UK? I love swimming. I do not love swimming. Do I
I
love
love
swimming?
I love
Don't I love
swimming. I love
swimming?
reading funny stories. I do not
I
love
love
reading.
reading
Do I
funny
love
stories.
stories?
I
Don't I love
don't
stories?
love reading funny stories. Do I love reading funny stories? Don't I love reading funny stories?
Okay, done. Naiful say first. যতগুলো আমরা বলতে পারি দেখে বলা যাবে না। আয়ান দেখে বলা যাবে না, কি প্র্যাকটিসিং। ওকে, নাইফুল।
I am in class 5. I am not in class 5. Am I in class 5? Am I not in class 5? I like to walk in the park. I don't like to walk in the park. Do I like to walk in the park? Don't I like to walk in the park? My cousins live in UK. My cousin does not live in UK. Does my cousin live in UK? Doesn't my cousin live in UK? I love swimming. I do not love swimming. Do I love swimming? Don't I love swimming? I I like reading funny stories. I don't like reading funny stories. Do I like reading funny stories? Don't I like reading funny stories? Thank you, miss.
থ্যাংক ইউ, এক্সেলেন্ট, খুব ভালো ছিল। আয়ান সে ইউ গট 10 out of 10. আয়ান।
I'm in class 5. I'm not in class 5. Am I in class 5? Am I not in class 5? Yeah, I like to walk in the park. I don't like to walk in the park. Do I like to walk in the park? Do I not like to walk in the park? My cousin lives in UK. My cousin do not live in UK too.
My
So
cousin doesn't হবে, wait, doesn't, my cousin doesn't.
okay. Does my cousin live in the UK? Doesn't my cousin live in UK? I like I like reading funny story books. I don't like reading funny story books. Do I like reading funny story books? Doesn't I like funny story books?
আয়ের সাথে তো ডাজেন্ট হয় না, ডোন্ট আই। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা। নাও রাবিয়া সে নাও, রাবিয়া। হুম।
I'm in class 5. I'm not in class 5.
হুম,
Am I in class 5? Class 5.
শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
I walk walk in park. Do I like to walk in the park? Don't I like to walk in the park? I love swimming. I love swimming. Don't I like swimming? Does my cousin live in the UK? My cousin does not live in the UK. Does my cousin live in the UK? Does my cousin live I like to read funny stories. I do not like to read funny stories. Do I like to read funny stories? Don't I like to read funny stories?
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। রাবিয়া, ইউ আর ইন কার অর বাস? বাসে আছি না কারে আছি? রাবিয়া, I think you are on the bus. Am I right? আচ্ছা, কি ওয়াশরুমে যাবে? Want to go to washroom? Naiful.
Yes, miss.
Yes, you can go, but come quickly.
Okay.
ঠিক আছে। Now I give the question. This question দেখতে পাচ্ছি। আয়ান, 19 কোশ্চেনটা উইথ অ্যান্সার সহ দ্রুত বলবো আমার। কোয়েশ্চেন উইথ অ্যান্সার, ঠিক আছে? বুঝতে পেরেছি আয়ান। So you have to say the question with answer without saying. Okay, রাবিয়া, ঠিক আছে? কোশ্চেন এন্ড অ্যান্সার না দেখে বলবো। সো কি প্র্যাকটিসিং, একটু প্র্যাকটিস করবো। বারবার করে পড়বো আয়ান, খুব ভালো করে পড়বো। দেখো 1 থেকে 10টা আগে করো, তারপর 10 থেকে 19 পর্যন্ত করো, ভালো করে করো প্লিজ। Okay, you are ready now?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
So গত ক্লাসে আমরা মেবি পেয়ার করে করেছিলাম, আজকে একা একাই বলবো। ওকে, ইউ হ্যাভ টু সে বাই yourself. So first আমরা নাইফুলকে দিয়ে শুরু করি। নাইফুল, start. You say the question with
Okay,
answer.
miss.
Fast. And all of you keep.
What's your name? My name is Imran Nafil Karim. Where are you from? I'm from Dhaka Cantonment. What's your hobby? My hobby is drawing. What's your future plan? My future plan is a, I want to be a doctor.
Okay.
Are you from a joint family? No, I am not from a joint family. Who is the earning person in your family? My father is the earning person in my family. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Akhtari Jaman. What does your mother do? My mother is a homemaker. Who cooks in your house? My mother cooks in my house. Who is the favorite person in your family? My mother is the favorite person in my family. Who is the favorite person in your relative? My aunt is the favorite person in my relative. Are your grandparents alive? No, my grandparents are not alive. What what did your grandfather do? My grandfather was an Air Force general. What do your uncle do? My uncle is a teacher. Thank you, miss.
Thank you. Great. You also again got 10 out of 10. Now Ayan.
What's your name? My name is Anne. Where are you from? I'm from Masali. What do you do? I'm a
Don't see
student.
the
What's your
question.
mother
Don't
do?
see the question. একদম ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকাবো, কোশ্চেন দেখবো না। হুম, ঠিক আছে, ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকাবো, কোনো কিছু দেখবো না। ওকে,
I'm not seeing anything.
রিয়েলি? আচ্ছা, তো খুবই ভালো, ভেরি গুড বয়। তাহলে আমরা ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকাবো, অন্য কোথাও তাকাবো না।
Can I start again?
হুম, yes, you can start again.
Okay. What's your name? My name is Anne. Where are you from? I'm from Noakhali. What do you do? I'm a student. What's your mother name? My mother's name is Hassan Akhtar. And what's your mother do? My mother is a doctor. What's your father do? My father is a banker. And who is the earning member in your family? My father is the earning member in my family. Who is the favorite person in my family? My mother is the favorite person in my family. What's your future plan? My future plan is to be a IT officer. And are your grandparents alive? No, my grandparents are not alive. What do your grandparents do? My grandparents is a businessman. My grandparents is a businessman. Are you in a joint family? No, I'm not in joint family. What does your uncle do? My uncle is a businessman. And what? That's all.
Okay, thank you. আচ্ছা, now we can do the last thing. এটা কি গত ক্লাসে করেছিলাম আমরা? Did you do this? All of you write down these two parts,
Yes, miss.
sentences and all these things. এটা কি লিখেছি আমরা?
Miss, we did it.
Okay, thank you. And আচ্ছা, now we'll practice this one. Sorry, এটা একটু প্র্যাকটিস করি, তারপর আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করবো। ওকে, all of you do this one. Top, cup, top. একটু প্র্যাকটিস করবো। Okay, now Ayan say, how many times you can say Ayan? Top, cup, top. Ayan say without saying, না দেখে বলবো। হুম, start.
Top cup.
ভালো করে বলবো, চুইংগাম ফেলে দিব।
Top cup cup top top cup top 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 cup cup top 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 cup top 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 cup top top top. আরে
বলেছি? কয়বার বলেছে? হাউ মেনি টাইমস ইউ রিড দিস? অনলি 3?
বো
আচ্ছা, নাইফুল সে নাও।
Top cup cup top 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 top cup cup top. Thank you, Miss.
You said it 10 times. Rabia.
Top cup cup top 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 top cup cup top.
Mashallah, very good. You said it 11 times. Very good. You were the first one today. 11 বার বলেছো, বাট উচ্চারণটা হচ্ছে ছ, খাপ, খাপ, ঠ। একটু বাতাস বের হবে, হ্যাঁ, ঠ ঠ। আচ্ছা, রাবিয়ার হাতে তো পেন্সিল কলম কিছুই নাই, কিভাবে কি করতে পারে? আমি তো চাচ্ছি একটা গল্প লিখতে দিতে যাচ্ছি। রাইটিং একটা কম্পিটিশন দিব, উইদিন 5 minutes ইউ হ্যাভ টু ট্রাই টু রাইট ডাউন দেয়ার ইজ এ স্টোরি। রাবিয়ার কি লেখা পসিবল? ইজ ইট পসিবল?
Yes, miss, I have the bag now with me.
Now you have a bag, that means you have a pen and paper. Good, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। সো তাহলে কি 5 মিনিট আমি করবো নাকি? এটা 5 মিনিটে হবে না, অ্যাকচুয়ালি 10 minutes দেই, ওকে? Within 10 minutes, you have to complete and you have to write down from here to here. There is a story. Before writing, I'm telling the story. একটু খেয়াল করো, সবাই মনোযোগ দেই। রাবিয়া, a tale of two friends. Tale মানে কি বলতো? A tale means
রূপকথা।
গল্প বলা যায়। ঠিক আছে, রূপকথা তো গল্প। There were two friends. They lived in a certain village. একটা নির্দিষ্ট মানে একটা গ্রামে থাকতো তারা। They promised, তারা ওয়াদা করলো, that they would help each other at the time of danger. তারা সবসময় এক জায়গায় থাকবে, হেল্প করবে যখন কেউ ডেঞ্জারে পড়ে। One day they were passing through a deep forest. Suddenly a bear came in front of them. So both of them were afraid and were at a loss what to do. One of them knew how to climb a tree. He at once climbed the tree and hid himself. নিজেকে লুকায় ফেলল। The other man, finding no alternative, fell on the ground and held his breath, pretending to be dead. মানে দমটা ধরে রাখছে, বোঝাচ্ছে যে সে মরে গিয়েছে। Pretend মানে ভান করা, অভিনয় করা। The other man, finding no alternative, আচ্ছা, I already read it. The bear came up to him and smelled his nose, ears, face, took him to be a dead man and left the place. When the bear was gone, the man in the tree came down and said, "Thank God that you were saved. But friend, I saw the bear put its mouth very close to your ear. Did it say anything to you?" The friend replied, "Yes, the bear told me not to trust a friend who left me in danger to seek his own safety. The moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed." বুঝতে পেরেছি?
Yes, Miss.
হ্যাঁ, it's a common story, তাই না? আমরা ছোটবেলা থেকে শুনে আসছি। তাহলে এখন এটা লিখে,
Yes, I heard it.
you heard it before, you heard it before.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, I know, it's a common story. So সবাই লিখে ফেলবো, start writing. এবং যখন লিখবো, আই রিকোয়েস্ট রাবিয়া যেখানেই থাকি মুখে উচ্চারণ করব প্রত্যেকটা লেটার, প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ড। টেইল, TALE, টেইল। ফ্রেন্ডস, I know you know the meaning, spelling of friends, even though you have to pronounce friends, FRIENDS এরকম করে, তাহলে স্পেলিং দেখবে ভুল হবে না। কারণ আমাদের আসলে একাডেমিক পরীক্ষার রাইটিং দিয়ে আমাদেরকে জাজ করে, এম আই রাইট? তাই না রাবিয়া? দেখবে যে স্পেলিং এর জন্য মিসরা এরকম এরকম লাল লাল দাগ দিয়ে,
Yes, Miss.
লাল দাগ দিয়ে দেয়। যখন যতগুলো লাল দাগ, এর জন্য নাম্বার কমতে থাকে। সো বি কেয়ারফুল। যেটা শিখবো ভালো করে শিখবো, এখানে আমরা স্পেলিং অনেক আছে শিখে ফেলার মতন, খুব ভালো করে পড়বো।
Miss, I have done writing. Miss, I have done writing.
Very good. Show your copy. Naiful. Great. Ravi also done. And Ayan, what about you? Ayan, আমরা লিখিনি?
Yes, miss. লিখেছি।
Done সবার? আচ্ছা। So if I say, can you say without saying about the story as a presentation? নিজের মতো করে গল্পটা এখন বলতে পারবো? নাইফু, আয়ান পারবো? রাবিয়া, নাইফু, without any preparation? No? আচ্ছা। Actually পারবো. If you read 5 to 10 times, then you can do this one. যদি আমরা না দেখে মানে 5-6 বার পড়ি 10 বার পড়ি তাহলে আমরা পারবো, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে নেক্সট ক্লাসে এটা আমরা নিব, ঠিক আছে? আমাকে একটু মনে করে দিবে। এখন আমরা একটা কাজ করব, জাস্ট একটু স্পিকিং করবো। হোয়াট ক্যান ইউ সি ইন দিস পিকচার? দিস ইজ এ ক্লাসরুম অ্যাকচুয়ালি, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, হোয়াট ক্যান ইউ সি ইন দিস পিকচার? আমরা যদি বলি লাইব্রেরি দেখতে পাচ্ছি। This is a classroom. First top, I can see there is a teacher. He is conducting the class. He is writing on the board, and the students are listening to him. And there is a almirah, big almirah. We can say this is a locker. Students can put here their necessary things. And the left side, we can see a library, and there is a big shelf, and there are many types of books there. And there, in front of these, there is a big table, rectangle table, and there are many students. They are reading, and also they are gossiping, and some books on the table also. In the right side, I can see this is a canteen. There are many students. They are having their snacks, and some students are carrying. There is one student carrying some shingara with the plate. And the last part, we can see there is a big field, and there is assembly is going on, and there is a flag also is hosting. And beside this, there is a basketball court, but no one is here. And on the left side, I can see the notice board, necessary notice or information they put there for their students. That's it. Clear? So সবগুলো পার্ট নিয়ে আমরা কথা বলার চেষ্টা করব, ঠিক আছে? So Ayan, first of all, you said, what can you see in this picture?
Yes. I can see a picture that there is a teacher. There is a teacher writing on a board to conduct class. The students are listening to him, and in the left side of them, there is a big almirah. We can say it locker. There are some books and other necessary things for the students that they need. And in the left side of them, in the left side of the picture, there is a library here. And there are some students who are reading silently, and there are a lots of books in the library. And there we can see a big almirah. There are a lot of books in the. There are lots of books are placing nicely. And in the right side of the picture, there are a canteen. This canteen, there are the lots of students are taking their breakfast. We can see the students. He is eating his breakfast, and we can see also other students. He is taking his breakfast at taking his breakfast from the canteen, and at the middle of the picture. In the middle of the picture, we can see a big field, and there is a basketball court at the beginning of the picture, and at the end of the picture, there are assembly for the students, and they are assembling in the playground, and that's all.
Thank you, ভালো ছিল। নাইফুল বলবো।
Okay, miss. I can see picture first. In the first part, I can see a classroom. A teacher is writing in the board, and the children are having their lesson. There is a locker. Its color is green. Children put their important things in the locker. In the second part, I can see a library. Many children read in this room. There is a almirah where there are many books in the almirah. In the third part, I can see a canteen. Children eat in the canteen. One child is eating in the canteen, and the other one is taking his lunch. In the last part, I can see a basketball court, and there is an assembly going, and there and in the left side I can see a notice board. Thank you, Miss.
থ্যাংক ইউ, বাট আমরা একটু শেষ করে দিই, তাড়াতাড়ি করে থ্যাংক ইউ বলেছে এই না একটু। আচ্ছা, রাবিয়া বলবো, রাবিয়া সেনা।
The first picture, a teacher is teaching and writing on the blackboard, and the students are listening to him. And beside the blackboard, there is a locker. And in the locker, they keep their important stuff. And in the second picture, we can see a library. In library, some children are reading, and there is a shelf. And in the shelf, there is so many books to read. And in the third picture, we can see the canteen. In the canteen, a child is eating his food, and a child is taking his food to his table. And in the fourth picture, we can see that there is a field with basketball court, and there is an assembly going on. And in beside the basketball court, there is a notice board that and the teachers paste the important notice here and
For the students.
for the students. And thank you.
Thank you, Rabia. But you did one mistake, that is children's. You say children's. Children is already a plural word. Okay, don't s. And where are you going actually? কোথায় যাচ্ছ? Now I am. কোথায়?
At my home.
At my home. Okay, so from where to where? কোথায় গিয়েছিলে এবং কোথায় যাচ্ছ?
Native
I
place.
went to
Native place.
I went to Bikrampur, and now I'm going.
Oh, you are going to your native village, your grandparents' house, am I right?
I'm going back to home.
Oh, back to home, okay. Understood. And where is your native village?
Bikrampur, Rajgatana, Bilfields.
Bikram.
আচ্ছা, খুব ভালো। বিক্রমপুর কিসের জন্য বিখ্যাত? What is famous for Bikrampur? I think is potato, am I right? আলু হচ্ছে বিক্রমপুরের জন্য বিখ্যাত নাকি?
Yes.
They all are businessmen. Most of the person are businessmen. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Now we will do the listening. আমরা এখন একটা listening করব, ঠিক আছে? নাকি আজকে?
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.